Hey guys, what's up? We are taking Steven's vlog today.
Shout out to So I Peeps. So,
Yeah.
no, originally this would have been on Steven's intro or shit.
Right?
It's our intro now and shit. Sorry for the cursing. Steve, I got
Can't say shiz. Can't say shiz, right?
Alright. Just put a little
Young
right, yeah. So this girl is getting a piercing.
It's a second piercing. No, you're too close.
Bill, no, just say that.
It's a second piercing, guys. Like what, like that. And she's behaving like a baby. So I had to give her the stress ball. You guys saw the vlog where I did my nose. I re-pierced my nose. We're at the same place. Pop in Jamaica. Pop in, pull in, big up yourself every time.
Big up.
Oh my god.
So that's doing her second piercing, and I'm gonna re-pierce my double cartilage.
There we
Yeah.
go. And me just there feel fun. Just watch her scream and ball.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
It's literally just a second piercing.
Here's one.
No, we just take them out. The double cartilage on the top.
This one.
Again. This is like my third time.
Yeah.
Oh, we're on his life, no? This is like
So
my.
shout out to Poppins Live. Yeah.
This is going to be like my third time doing over this, but
Yeah, stress me out. You want stress me out, you know? No, at this more. I don't care. Just everybody from change my mind. Okay.
he's just wiping it. Chill.
Oh god! No.
Yeah, keep
Wait,
staying.
wait, just wait. I'm not touch it.
See
Wait,
my
you
hand
see around
here.
that song?
See my hand here. See my hand here. Right behind it. Chill.
Relax. Alright.
Yeah, talk to me.
Breathe.
Alright, don't hurry up.
David, look at me. That's it.
Ow! Oh, it hurts. Oh, you bitches. Holy
Breathe.
damn!
Okay.
Breathe.
I have to do it again
The next one I'm gonna be like that.
It's not gonna be the
Trust me.
worst.
No, it isn't.
This really hurts.
It's not one of the
Once
opposite.
you know the pain now, you know your
Exactly.
body now goes.
Alright, ready?
Ow!
Use my hand. Relax now. Relax.
Ow!
Relax.
Relax.
Breathe. Squeeze out my hand. Don't
Don't touch
touch.
it.
Don't touch.
It's cute though, but wait. Mama Grace.
G.
Wait.
G.
Oh, my mama's gonna kill me. Jesus Christ. You know what?
No.
David, no. What you doing?
Commit.
Oh, man.
Commit.
This is
Commitment.
Commit.
Yes.
Commit.
I'll put my ears.
Commit.
I'll put my ears.
Commit. No. Commit.
Exactly.
Commit.
This kind of hurts
Commit.
though.
This is not
Yeah,
going
you know,
to.
but it's not gonna hurt.
You're making a little stink on the side of wear off.
Okay.
You chill. See my hand.
Okay.
Breathe.
Okay.
No, you're taking Phoenix now.
Dog, buddy, no answer. Jesus Christ. Alright, hurry up. Wait.
Dog, you have my hand, dog.
Alright.
Wait, alright.
Stop shaking.
I can't do it.
Stop shaking.
Just hold your head still.
Guys,
Dab,
I'm
you
sorry.
can do it.
I'm sorry, Poppy. Poppin', I'm sorry, honey. But this is it. You understand?
No, it's not
We
it.
about to do it right now.
Yeah, that's what we about to do.
No, it hurts.
It hurts, but one time pain.
Squeeze the ball.
I've heard it. Just remember
Together
that.
forever, best friends forever.
It's not Emmanuel Martinez in the dog.
Lit.
Right?
Special song.
This one kind of special song.
Yeah, that it's a go. Yeah,
Dog, the more you get better, get it over with. Get it over with. Don't make that sting wear off.
Yeah, you could have been popped off long.
A long time.
a long time.
Dead
And this
ass.
thing could have go.
It's so
Don't
cute.
touch it.
though.
Don't
Look
touch
at
it.
Yes, I
Alright,
know.
so
So
don't
next
touch it,
one.
next one.
You know what?
Be a hot girl.
Fuck it.
Hot girl. Ready.
You're not elf.
Leave it. That's
But,
what.
alright. Hold on. Alright. Those are the ears, alright? Alright. Ear
Do it for the vlog.
I'm not doing blood clot vlog. Just Urban.
Steven, she doesn't mean that.
Yeah,
Okay.
you go. Yeah, you go. Yeah.
Fuckity fuck. La 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 la. Because it made the sting wear off.
Exactly.
It's cute though. I'm not doing this again.
Good job.
Holy
High five.
no, bitch.
High five, y'all don't know. Ready up, my son.
Judah next. Judah not gonna cry like no little bitch.
And pretending you're a hair. Just for you, boo. Just for you. Wait, that means I'm not your woman.
No,
Yeah.
What kind of best friend are you?
yo.
Let's put that in the back, the earring back.
Oh, don't push down too tight when you do the piercing hair. Because they have a 15.
It's cute though.
It's cute though. But I mean, sorry.
Fudge.
Fudge.
I mean, it's
Steven have so much bleeping out to do, like
exactly.
so much.
Exactly.
I'm my best friend.
Oh, sorry. Y'all gonna squeeze my hand? And I'm sorry. When I couldn't catch up on my snap, when I stay so.
I have it. I'll send it to you. I'm not being manipulated. Afraid, honestly afraid. People already thinking Paris.
Already up.
David, you're not holding my hand.
Bitch, hold my hand. I don't need to hold your hand, bitch. Ow! Judah, you okay?
Yeah.
You're not a ball?
No, because I'm a G. That's what thugs do.
I'm sorry. This shit.
You say
don't
man
let
say you a
nobody
gangster?
tell y'all that.
You say you a gangster?
She ain't a gangster. I'm more of a thug than she is.
Exactly.
It's cute though.
Proven though. Back to being
Anyways.
cute. Double tongue, two tight thug. Yeah.
Alright. So, end result.
But it's cute though. Big up to Poppin every time he has a plug.
Yeah, big up
Wait,
Poppin.
is it? Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, bye guys.
Yeah. Alright, flashback to Friday.
All I